Right, woo! Welcome back to another episode of the Fishin' Wishin' Life. If you're new here, welcome to this channel, and if you're a regular viewer, welcome back as well. Here we are, back on the awesome Perth Swan River, Western Australia, for those who do not know where we are. Oh, wind is pretty good this morning. Actually cruising up at about 30 knots. Was a bit cold, but it's gonna warm up. As soon as that sun comes up over that side of town, it's gonna be good. All right, plan of attack, and then I'm gonna stop talking. Got the trawl and lure on board. Halco Wreckfish West, 2.5 meter plus. Yeah, I love that lure when we're in shallow waters. Gonna go for Tailor. I've already seen birds out here smashing the water, so I'm assuming there's bait, schools, bait fish, what have you, out here. So, and I'm doing it at sunrise. So best time to do this, sunrise, sunset, in my personal opinion. Yeah, we'll see how we go. Gonna get it ready. I'm gonna trawl probably 5 knots. That's about it. Back and forth up the river, a few deep holes, and yeah, we'll see how we go. Stay with us, stay tuned, let's do it. Yee-hoo-hoo! Still trawling, still waiting, still wishing. We've got a fish on. Yes, there's our first Tailor for the day. Happy days. What did he get off? Still there. Still there, still there. The first fish of the day. There he is. Let's get him up. Let's get the net. There we go. Oh, first fish of the day. There you go. Woo-hoo-hoo-hoo. Chopper Tailor, first one for the day. Thanks for coming. There you go. Let you have a look. Trawling for a bit now. That's what we love. That's what we love to see. On the trawl. He's going a bit nuts. We'll just get him out so he doesn't. There you go. First chopper Tailor for the day. On the ski. Caught trawling at about 4 or 5 knots. Once I get it out, I'll let you have a look. The lure is just caught on the net and I've only got one hand. There we go. There it is. Caught on the trusty Halco Laser Pro Wreckfish West edition. Love this lure in the Swan. Always does me well. Alright, let's get this out. Beautiful fish. Chopper Tailor. Chopper Tailor. To be 30. 30 centimeters. So the old trusty south side boating and fishing brag mat out. And this is going to be interesting because I've got to hold him, get him at length. Oh, look at that, perfect. He is 34 centimeters. There you go, beautiful chopper Tailor. Yes. All right, let's get him back in the drink. Woo! There he goes, there he goes. He's gone, what a release. Whew. Good times, boy. Looks like I've picked up a, wouldn't call it a hitchhiker, maybe a river hiker. Ready? Oh, Braxy's with us. Yes. All right. Boys have grabbed a spot. not so lucky. Kind of strange to be honest. Heading to another spot. Braxy's on with me. We're gonna hoot it in, have some fun. We're gonna go on the ski. We're gonna go on the ski area just quietly. We're going in the ski area. He's gonna hold on to me for dear life. And yeah, we're gonna go. Now we're just exploring. I've pulled the rod in. You saw that Tailor I caught. Pretty sure I had another hit, but I don't know what happened. Who knows? But anyway, I got one on board. I'm happy. My job's done. I've caught a fish. Whew, happy days. Now it's all about fun for me. Enjoy the weather until the wind picks up. So let's go. Looks like I got another river hiker with me. Oh, Huddy now. Brax is gone, and now I got Huddy. He wants to go see Elizabeth Quay, so we're gonna go see Elizabeth Quay. This is what it's about, getting these ones on the water constantly, consistently, get them used to it, let them love it, make sure you got safety vest on, rep the merch as well. All right, we're going into Elizabeth Quay. Show this little one how good it is in there.
Looking in your eyes, I know that all I need is by my side. When everything is wrong, you make it right. The only one who brings me back to life. I've been trying to look for all of these things to hold on to, but oh, I'm finding better days with you. Hold on to me tight as we dive into the blue. Dive into the blue. Better days with you. Better days with you.
Braxy and I just come to South Perth, land the drone, landing on the jet ski. Yeah, maybe not have went too well if I tried that, even though it is pretty glassy out here, but nah, on land, drone's in. Really hope you like that footage. That's basically it for us for this adventure today. I'm gonna get Braxy back to Brett on the Bull Ant, the boat, and then I'm gonna head back in. So yeah, really hope you like this episode. Bit of an adventure for you. Hope you all get to experience it as well soon. And we'll see you next time.